Hello and thanks for joining us here at Tesco Specialty Vehicles. In this video, we'll be showing you how to operate your vehicle's Braun wheelchair lift. Starting with these 4 basic steps that are required in order to power and satisfy the safety interlock. The first step to enable the operation of the lift is to engage the vehicle's parking brake. Once our parking brake is enabled, next we'll want to have the ignition turned to the on position. This is to satisfy the safety interlock and to allow the use of the lift. Now we'll want to make sure that our battery cutoff switch is turned on, enabling the flow of battery power to our equipment on the body. For more information on the location and use of this switch, you can refer to our battery cutoff switch help video. You may also have a wheelchair lift interlock switch a lot like the one shown here. Go ahead and flip that switch to the on position to enable power to the lift itself. Next, we'll want to go ahead and open the wheelchair lift access doors. Now that we have access to the lift itself, we'll want to find its power switch. Normally it's located around the lower left or right hand corners of the lift. Once it's located, go ahead and flip the switch to the on position. When the lights at the top corners of the lift are illuminated, you'll know that the lift has power and it's ready for use. Locate the lift's remote, which looks a lot like the one shown here, either mounted to the front or near the side of the lift. Before operating your lift, make sure that your vehicle is on a level surface and free of any obstructions. Keep any items or body parts clear away from the path of operation or moving parts on the lift itself. To deploy the lift, you will first want to hold down the unfold switch on the remote, bringing down the lift from its upright position. Once unfolded, we'll then hold the down button on the remote, allowing easy access onto the platform. When you're ready to raise the lift back up, hold the up button on the remote to bring the platform back up until it stops and the back ramp comes down, allowing access into the vehicle. Then when the platform is clear and you're done using the lift, hold the fold button on the remote to bring the lift back up to its upright position. Once folded up, put the remote back and flip the power switch to off. Close your doors, turn off the wheelchair interlock switch, release your parking brake, and then turn the battery cutoff switch off if you're done using your vehicle. Otherwise, keep it on if you plan on driving to continue to use the camera systems. Note that there are a few features for safety built into the lift to minimize any potential dangers. Your outboard and inboard barriers are short metal flaps on either side of the platform that act as sort of small ramps or transitions. However, they are also wired with switches and sensors that, when disturbed, will disable lift operation to prevent damage or injuries. These barriers must be completely folded up for lift movement, and only unfold when reaching the end of its full movement, making sure that whatever's on the lift stays on and stays safe. The metal plate leading inside is also pressure and weight sensitive, making sure the lift is clear before operation and movement. Both lift arms on either side feature sensors as well to ensure that the lift is fully down or folded up completely. The doors also have sensors to determine whether they are open or closed. All of this is wired into your interlock system, disabling the ability to release your parking brake to drive away. If you're having trouble operating or enabling the lift, it is worth checking these features to troubleshoot if proper procedures described earlier are followed. These features are a safeguard to help prevent damage to the vehicle and potential harm to passengers and operators. And that is how to use your vehicle's Braun wheelchair lift. Remember that this video is not intended to take the place of your vehicle's owner's manual. Tesco Bus and Tesco Specialty Vehicles are not liable for any damage or injuries incurred from the improper use or operation of your vehicle and its equipment, as this video is for informational purposes only. If you have any questions or concerns regarding your specialty vehicle and the equipment on board, give us a call at 855-376-9797, Shoot us an email at support@tescosv.com or visit the Help Center on our website where you can submit a contact form. For all of your specialty vehicle and equipment needs, choose Tesco Specialty Vehicles for our proven quality and trusted name. Call, click, or visit today. Thanks for watching.